Could you please revise 2 minutes for previous class? If you don't mind, revise. We'll continue the class. Please revise few minutes. We'll continue our class. We'll continue, sir. Just revise 2 minutes. Completed revision. Let me know after revision completed. Just look all the examples. I'm going to be asking you examples, which is the positive deviation examples, negative deviation examples. On graphs also we can check it. Please look into that, everyone. Completed a revision. What are the examples for positive deviation? Noted down positive negative deviation examples. Would you note it down? Yesterday we discussed or not? I think so. That is examples you need to note down from NCERT book. Huh? Fine. బాబుని తీసుకోవా So ethyl alcohol and acetone, what type of deviation they are shown? Explain. Means example, positive or negative deviation, ethyl alcohol and acetone of deviation. Okay. So for positive deviation, AB attractions is stronger or A and BB attractions is stronger? It can show positive deviation. Okay. Then which attraction is stronger, AB or AA? Yes. Now we can see here. One point you can remember, that is, we'll see that is supposed to be here. Ethyl alcohol, they have hydrogen bonding cell. Okay, they have attractions. This is assume that one A attractions is there. This is BB attractions possible. This A molecule and A molecule, and acetone also is there. Acetone is polar or non-polar? Acetone is polar or non-polar? The recently carbonyl compounds completed. This is negative, positive, negative, positive. Even it can show attractions. This is BB type attraction, sir. This is AA type attraction. Now we are mixing here A and B. Both A and B are mixing. When you are mixing here, suppose assume that one first A is there, after that B I am mixing. Here already A is there, that is ethyl alcohol. So whenever they have ethyl alcohol means this type of attractions is there. Now I am adding acetone. That will come in between here, sir. C2H5OH, then acetone will come in between. Again C2H5OH, again acetone, like this. So they interfere in between ethyl alcohol hydrogen bonding. So hydrogen bonding of ethyl alcohol is broken. Here hydrogen bonding is there, this strong attraction. Due to acetone, that hydrogen bonding is broken, sir. When hydrogen bond is broken means those can evaporate very easily. Which can show hydrogen bonding? Those only most of the cases existing liquid state. If hydrogen bonding is not that much strong, that can evaporate. So even they have attraction, this is weak attractions, not like that much hydrogen bonding attractions. So these are A and B, sir. AB attraction this is. But A attraction is stronger than AB attraction. So finally, whenever than A, in that case they can show what type of deviation, sir? Positive deviation. Why positive deviation? P solution is weak attraction means evaporate more or less more. If here weak attraction means it can evaporate very fast, sir. It can evaporate very fast. So PS is greater than PA plus PB. So this is the condition for positive deviation. Please check it. Yesterday already I given this point. Even this attractions also I given. Now I am discussing with the example only extra that we are showing with respect to bonds. Examples which is positive negative deviation, that's also fine. But what is the reason behind that when I'm trying to explain? Otherwise, if you feel difficult, just you can proceed the terms, attraction terms, and directly examples. Which is comfort for you, you can proceed, sir. That is. I think so. Positive deviation graph we given yesterday. Please check it. Array polar. Acetone is polar. Huh? That's why they are undergo nucleophilic addition reactions. We made and complete one chapter, aldol condensation, Kenzaro reaction, all the things. Fine. Next deviation, you can see here positive deviation, sir. Is red expected that showing more water pressure dotted line. So positive deviation graph this is negative deviation graph, which is thick line is ideal solution, which is thick line is the solution, sir. Next, acetone and chloroform. Acetone and chloroform, what type of deviation it can show? Acetone and chloroform, what type of deviation it can show? Negative deviation. So negative deviation means AB attraction is stronger or weaker? AB attractions are stronger or weaker, sir? Are stronger? Keep in mind. Check it here very clearly. We are explaining this is negative deviation, correct? Negative deviation means AB attraction, A and B attraction. This acetone I am taking and chloroform is the example. Acetone A attractions, chloroform BB attractions. When they are together, acetone plus chloroform, they are forming hydrogen bonding. Did you observe here? Bond between hydrogen and oxygen. It is strong bond, sir. This is A molecule, this is B molecule. They are attracting very strong. When they attract, vapor pressure with respect to AB is very less, sir. This is AB molecules. The vapor pressure is less because AB is strong attraction. So PS should be less than PA plus PB. And in problems also I am asking same thing. Numerically, we are asking some questions. So in the question we will get PS value already provided. Then even I am giving P naught A I will give, XA I will give, P naught B we are going to be give, XB also we are going to be give. Then which deviation it can show? That's the question, sir. All values they will provide, we are going to be sure that is. In that situation, you have to follow this type of relation. So calculate first by using P naught A XA, PA value you can calculate. By using P naught B XB can calculate PB. Sum of the PB and PA value is more than PS, then that is negative deviation. If less than PVS, positive deviation are exactly equal, that is ideal solution. So after calculating numerical value, you have to substitute. Otherwise, you know examples, no need to think anything. Directly you can say this positive or negative deviation. You don't want to solve question also. Understood? So for negative deviation, AB attraction is stronger than A and BB. Please note down. Strong means they can't evaporate, so negative deviation. The weak means they can evaporate, that is positive deviation. Only two words. Stronger and weaker. For whom? That is positive or negative, we can think that one. By discussing about vapor pressure, so if I need more vapor pressure means weak attraction is required. If less vapor pressure means strong attractions. Now we can see that word. Attraction and vapor pressure inversely proportional. Strong attractions, less vapor pressure, inversely proportional. Completed? Yeah, that's already we discussed now. P naught A X A, this is only formula. Na? Mole fraction of X affect the partial pressure, not P naught values. It will affect partial pressure because PA equal to P naught A X A. If you are getting mole fraction changing means PA will be changed or not. Raoult's law. PA directly proportional to mole fraction of component which is dissolved in water. More the XA means more the PA. Any doubts? Then, if no doubts means I can proceed next. If negative deviation means less only, na? This is the value, negative deviation. If positive deviation means pH should be more than PA plus PB. Negative deviation means less, everything is less. Negative means delta H is negative, delta V mixture is negative, everything is negative in the positive deviation, everything more than that except delta G. Okay, and delta S also positive for every case. Any doubt? Can I proceed next? Or any doubts? Hey Ganesh, you are sleeping. This is one question I given. Suppose question I am going to be ask you. I explain PSI will provide P naught A XA and P naught B XB. After providing values, it can show positive deviation or negative deviation. Like that type of questions you will get. Otherwise, you are copying simply what is on the screen. You are not listening words, then simply you are copying. Okay, okay, fine. Fine, fine. Okay. See here, I am giving small point, means how to identify positive deviation. Sometimes you can't remember example. Suppose unknown example also they given how to identify this positive or negative deviation. So you can see exactly opposite for negative deviation. If one is polar solute or solvent, okay, polar compound plus polar compound, non-polar compound or less polar. This you can take it here more polar compound, okay, less polar. This is more polar. These two combination they are giving. One is strong polar, they have strong attractions, but I am adding less polar or non-polar mean the disturbing attractions. When the disturbing means that attraction is going to be decreases. This is assume A and B. A have strong attractions, but I am adding B is to A, then A disturbing. A attraction is disturbed by B. Then that become weak attractions. Whenever the weak attractions means that means to deviation. So combination of a polar and polar that shows always positive deviation. Always it show positive deviation, sir. Maybe you may done this 11th standard chemical bonding, which is polar molecule, which is non-polar molecule. Dipole moment one concept is there. You may forget that is mostly which is given. Every school teachers they will provide that is. I am giving examples, sir. This is acetone. Acetone plus CCl4 you can take. What type of combination? Acetone is polar compound, sir. You should be know this point because recently NK sir completed our compound. Acetone is how to find out polar or not. Which is they have heteroatoms. The net dipole moment should not be zero. This is negative charge. This is positive charge. Okay. CL4 have all the structures like this. Supposed to be chemical bonding. This molecule to know. Net dipole moment is cancel each other. Up and down. All the going to be cancelled. Net vector factors you can assume that this vector character. So is going to be cancelled. For this mu equal to 0 means dipole moment 0. Mu not equal to 0 means dipole moment is there. So anyway, this is polar. This is non-polar. What type of deviations are positive or negative deviation? Polar plus non-polar combination. What type of deviation? Positive deviation. So I'm giving more example also. Let's put it. Water is more polar, sir. Water is more polar plus methanol or ethanol. C2H5OH. Ethyl alcohol is less polar. Which one have more boiling point? Water or ethyl alcohol? Which one have more boiling point? Which one is more boiling point? Water or ethyl alcohol? Water. And you can see sanitizers also made up by with alcohols only. Okay, just we are taking in hand that going to be evaporate or not, but water doesn't evaporate easily. So what type of deviation? This is more polar and this is less polar. What type of deviation? Positive deviation. More polar and less polar combination is positive deviation. Understood? Because every time you can't remember exactly more examples, NCRT level you can remember. If beyond that they came, then you can try to apply this concept. This is simple logic to identify. Then, so for negative deviation exactly we can think, sir, opposite. Both strong polar we are mixing. Here one polar, in that case both polar we are mixing. When they are mixing both polar means they can form strong bonds, then that can show negative deviation. Okay, next we can discuss isotropic mixture, sir. For a negative deviation, mixing of both polar compounds, both strong polar compounds are mixing. You make a note on that point. For negative deviation, how to identify? Both are strong, non-polar, sorry, polar compounds are mixing, both polar. You can check it, examples you can get. Next heading you can write azeotropic mixture. You can note down definition. Please try to note down definition. Azeotropic mixture. Open your textbook. Azeotropic mixture. You note down the definition by using NCERT book. After completed, let me know the definition. Please note down your definitions. Then definition completed. Azeotropic mixtures. I can write little bit more fast than me. Huh? Not take this much time. Okay, we're discussing here azeotropic mixture. I think so completed. That's why I'm asking you how to copy from textbook, NCERT book. You don't have NCERT book, even app also. That's why given time. Then what you are doing this time? Yeah, some people they completed. You can check it. Are given time to copy definition from NCERT book. I'm going to explain that meaning. If you are able to already understood means fine. Are some schools completed na solution chapter completed or not? In your school completed solution chapter? No. Okay, fine. So doesn't matter. We can discuss everything clearly. If you are not noted down, please leave that some definition. Okay, you can copy later. And first you have to know that one. Suppose liquid A and B is there. Both have two different boiling points. That's why we have different P naught values. Okay, we are getting set. Now this is a mixture of solution. This is A is there. They are one. A is more volatile. What is the meaning, sir? Boiling point less or more? A is more volatile means it have less boiling point. And they connected one tube that's we called condenser. Okay, and this is connected with another flask that's closed one, sir. But this condenser surrounded by water tube, water which is they contain water tubes. All everything is glass only, sir. All these things they surrounded like this. Okay, that water inlet outlet is there. That's going to be cool that one. When I am heating the substance here, very simple. You can listen here. Nothing here. You can understand. Whenever I am heating this liquid, first A can evaporate, sir, very easily. A can evaporate. Then A vapor is moving through this condenser, and here suddenly they cooled. This is water they contain. Outside is cooling, sir. Then they convert into liquid here. Okay, this is A. After some time, all A can convert it here. B only alone is there. So A and B is separated, and this process we call distillation, which is we apply this process we call distillation. By heating, two liquids are separating. What's the main causes are here? Boiling point difference. A have less boiling point, B have more boiling point. Which is less boiling point that can evaporate, we can separate out. Understood this point first, which I am explaining here? Have you understood or not this point? Any difficult here? Fine. Next step. Okay, I am going. Now here, A alone is there. Now I am adding B. Whenever I am adding after some time, I found some 60% of A is there here. This is 60% A and 40% B is there. And that time also I am trying to make separate each other. I am trying to make separate each other. By heating, same distillation I am applying. Then I am heating here. Whenever I am heating here, same sir, same situation I am taking, but here 60-40 composition. Assume that one. Okay. Then A plus B is there. Then we are heating here. And we connected, everything is perfectly all be done, sir. But I observed that one here suddenly one thing, that is in vapor state also A plus B only present. We are heating at 60-40 composition. Then this converted liquid, here also A plus B only. So I am not able to separate A and B separately here. Are you getting my point? Previously we separate out only A is evaporated, then they converted into A, then I can separate A and B, I got it separately. But here whenever 60-40 composition is there, I am not able to done. Then I tried something. Some more I am adding B, extra B I added. Now this become 50 and this become, assume that one. Now I am adding extra B, sir. Extra B I am adding here now. Now this may become 58. This you may can get 42. This is A and B. Now I am able to separate out again. I am able to separate out A and B. But whenever that particular composition 60-40 is the composition of A and B, at these composition I am not able to separate each other by applying distillation. This mixture at particular composition I called azeotropic mixture. Azeotropic meaning boiling without change. They are boiling without changing. A and B composition not changing. They are going to be, both are evaporating and both are coming. They are not changing. Azeotropic means boiling without change. So at a particular mixture, only 60-40 is there, then only I am not able to separate out. Even the change is 1 point also, this become 59, this become 41, also I can separate out. Or this becomes 61, this becomes 39, also I am able to separate out. But only 60-40, whenever is there, at that composition I am not able to separate. Those time, at that composition, particular composition I call azeotropic mixture. At a particular composition, we can't separate out by using distillation. Now, if you have any definition, please read that one, you can get. You can understand definition. Now, if you read that one, read your definition. Please read, then let me know that one you understood or not. First, you noted down definition. You noted down definition. Please note down definition first. Please note down definition first. Read the definition. What they are telling. Read definition. Read means not like that. Try to understand. That's a reading means. Not don't read like newspaper, just one line. Each term try to understand. So I'm reading definition, you can see. A binary mixtures that have same composition in liquid and vapor phase and boil at a constant temperature and can distill unchanged in composition are known as azeotropic mixture. So this is the liquid I am giving here. Please check it here diagram. A and B. I am heating. That evaporating A and B only evaporating. Then I conduct a condensation here. We can get here liquid A and B. There is no change in composition. Whatever here 60% of A is there, 40% B. Vapor also 60% of A and 40% B. After converting to liquid, here also 60-40. There is no change in composition anywhere after heating, vapor condensation. That type of special liquid, type of special case we call azeotropic mixture. Understood? But remaining cases, if I am heating, other than that 60-40 composition, remaining cases, they can evaporate. We can separate out A and B. See here A plus B is there, just I am heating. A is evaporated and A coming separately and B separately. We separated or not? But here I am not able to separate. That special case and special composition we called azeotropic mixture. Azeotropic mixture means we can't separate out in vapor state and liquid state. That's the meaning simply. So two liquids is there, that's we can't separate out. That both liquid also AB is there, vapor also AB. I am not able to separate. That's only called azeotropic mixture. Simple thing. Azeotropic means at a particular composition, not all compositions. Only 60-40. If you are taking 58-42 means you can separate out. If you are taking 63-37, also you can separate out. But only 60-40 you can't separate out. That particular composition we called azeotropic mixture. But that particular composition will be changed for different compounds. If I am taking water and alcohol that have different composition, here I given for example 60-40, that may be changes. Different compounds can form different composition at the time that can access azeotropic mixture. So most of the some liquids can access special case. This is the only special case, sir, not regular case. In that particular case only we are not able to separate. So here this azeotropic mixture, I think so definition noted down, I'm expecting. These are two types, sir. Azeotropic mixtures are two types. Minimum boiling azeotropic mixture. Minimum boiling. Minimum boiling azeotropic mixture. Maximum boiling azeotropic mixture. Got it? Array, can you minimum boiling point means vapor pressure is more or less. Can you say that word? Minimum boiling meaning vapor pressure is more or less. They are not responding. Minimum boiling means vapor pressure is more or less. Or you can take simple way. Now you have in your hand mostly sanitizer. By opening that evaporating means that have boiling point is less. Which is not able to evaporating means that have more boiling point. Simple logic. Discussing using respect to boiling vapor pressure. That's only. And temperature. Very simple here. Vapor pressure is more means boiling point is less. If more vapor pressure means force of attraction also very weak. Very less or weak, you can assume that one. Which one have less weak force of attraction, those can easily evaporate, those have less boiling point. Only these are the terms we are discussing, everything around these things only. Basic point you can get, then you can apply any example, anything you will get, sir. So more vapor pressure. More vapor pressure means positive deviation or negative deviation, sir. Vapor pressure is more than PA plus PB plus, suppose. That is positive deviation or negative deviation. It can show more positive deviation from Raoult's law. More positive deviation. Can you note down that point? Please note down. Minimum boiling azeotropic mixture and maximum boiling azeotropic mixture. You can write that word. It can show more positive deviation from Raoult's law. More positive deviation from Raoult's law. Here, more negative deviation from Raoult's law, sir. More negative deviation. Maximum boiling means more negative deviation from Raoult's law. You can write, sir. Completed. Only two terms, huh? Not too many terms. Now actually here minimum boiling means here example they given. I have some examples I am giving here. You make it. Water plus ethyl alcohol. Okay. Here this is, you can assume that one ethyl alcohol present 95.57 by weight percentage, sir. So remaining is water. So what is the remaining percentage? Can you find out? Can you subtract here 100 minus 95.57? So 4.34. Now, sir, can you check it? 4.03. 95. Okay, 4.03, sir. Means water and ethyl alcohol composition 95.57% of alcohol and 4.03% of water is there. At this stage only it can act as azeotropic mixture. That percentage variable, sir. That percentage variable for different cases. So at these composition I can't separate out each other. Both can evaporate and both will. So I can't separate out. So that's we called azeotropic mixture. Is it clear? And what is the boiling point of water, sir? Can I write 100 degrees centigrade or 373 degrees centigrade? Ethyl alcohol boiling point rating, sir. 351.5. Any doubt here? After mixing the solution, sir, both you are mixing only, na? Here, alcohol plus water we are mixing. That composition you are maintaining same thing, sir. 4.03 plus 95.57. We are mixing. We are maintaining same thing. But here boiling point is not exactly these values, sir, which is a given values. If that boiling point of the boiling point mixture will be changed, sir. Boiling point will be changed. Mixture boiling point is not same like these components. Once mixing, their boiling point will be changed. Why their boiling point will be changed? Can you give any reason? Because attractions, water and ethyl alcohol attraction will be changed that values. AB attractions are like that. So this ethyl alcohol. Now boiling point will be changed. Suppose that boiling point is less than this any one of the components, sir. Less than this component. Less than this any one of the components. I am writing here boiling point of this mixture 351.15. Less than or greater than, sir, mixtures. So less than or more. Can you find out? At least any one of the component, at least one component. This is compared to less than water, less than ethyl alcohol also. So less boiling point means more vapor pressure or not? More vapor pressure. So which is this boiling point is less than these components, any one of the component at least. Okay. Either of the components less than either of the pure components. That's we called minimum boiling azeotropic mixture. Minimum boiling. That's meaning we mix both, then their boiling points I'm taking. That mixture boiling point is less than that components. That's we called minimum boiling azeotropic mixture. Then maximum boiling azeotropic, sir. Maximum. Can you give now? Maximum means that boiling point should be more than this components. Maximum boiling azeotropic mixture. Or you can write separately. I don't have space, that's why I'm writing together, but you can write separately or your wish. I'm taking here example H2O plus HCl. HCl is 20.3 and remaining you can write, sir, how much here water? 79.7 is correct or any other? What's the minimum boiling azeotropic mixture means? Mixture boiling 20 B less than these components. That's we called minimum boiling azeotropic mixture. Because that boiling point is less than that components. If your boiling point is more than these components, that's we called maximum boiling azeotropic mixture. Here you can check it that's your writing correct or not. 79.7. So what is the boiling point of water? Already you know that one. 373. Then HCl boiling point they given 188. Okay. These are Kelvin. Keep in mind, sir. But azeotropic mixture, which is I am taking here, water plus HCl. This mixture, azeotropic mixture is boiling point. I'm writing, sir, boiling point of mixture. Three they given, sir. This is more than these components or not? More than. So this is we called maximum boiling azeotropic mixture. Maximum boiling azeotropic mixture. We are not responding. You understood or not? Only 2 words I mentioned here. Are you understanding or not? You people are not responding anything. Let me know at least you understood or not. Huh? If you are not understanding, doesn't matter. Again, I will explain. With values I am giving here, so you can understand looking values. Again, I will explain. See the composition. This is at this particular composition only water plus HCl can form azeotropic mixture character. First thing. And its boiling point, water I know that one, HCl also I know that one. After mixing this composition, this is azeotropic mixture. Azeotropic mixture boiling point. This is the individual boiling point, sir. HCl boiling point. This is water boiling point. Individual points. After mixing each other, boiling point will be changed. Yes. If you understood second case, first case automatically can get. Doesn't matter. So alone we are mixing. That mixture of boiling point is 383. This is more than these two components. So that's why maximum boiling azeotropic mixture. Now we can come to the back. Minimum boiling point. At this particular composition, it can act as azeotropic mixture. After mixing each other, boiling point of this mixture also will be changed. Clear? And boiling point of the solution is less than these two or not. Check it, 373 and 351.5. This is 15 only. 351.50 this is. You can take. This boiling point of the mixture is less than these components or not. So less than means minimum boiling azeotropic mixture. More than means maximum boiling azeotropic mixture. That boiling point mixture of azeotropic mixture is less than components means minimum boiling. They won't give. I'm explaining with values only. You may can understand easily with values. And statement, suppose I'm giving statement, you may can confuse how that is how like this. That's why I'm giving values. By looking values we can get. That's why I'm giving values. Is it clear? Is there any graphs in NCERT regarding picture? Any graphs? They given or not? Please let me know that one. Any graphs they mention? Look your NCERT book and give. Look your NCERT book. Any graphs they mention or not? Let me know that one. No, they didn't give any graph. Okay, fine. So up to azeotropic mixture completed. So your exam up to this. If any questions came, mostly they won't give out of syllabus. I will try to remove that one if any question is there. But questions you will get molality, mole fraction, resulting solution normality, everything. Be ready to solve those questions also. Take challenge, you have to see your score. I'm going to be look your score, how many people are getting good score. Practice chemistry, okay? Don't attempt more questions. I need 0 and 8 marks, sir. 82 marks need you. Even if you got less score, doesn't matter, but 0 and 82 marks. Try your best. Do the best for your exam. If tomorrow any doubt section is there, we'll take. Otherwise, you can write directly exam. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.